Good morning. Today, let's see the application of the concepts which we have learned in previous lectures by solving some examples. So, example number 1. In the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. Find the values of x, y and z. Now, looking at the figure, we can see when two lines AB and CD intersect at O, we get two pairs of vertically opposite angles, that is AOC and BOD. This is the first pair of vertically opposite angle. Similarly, another pair of vertically opposite angle is BOC and AOD. Now, for solution, here AOB and COD are straight lines. So, by linear pair axiom we have, means these two are straight lines AOB and COD. So, according to the linear pair axiom we have angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Now, we can see angle AOC is this angle and angle BOC is this angle. This makes a linear pair, that is 180 degree, and the value of angle AOC is given as 84 degree and value of angle BOC is given as 2x. We insert the both values, that is 84 degree plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Further solving, we get 2x equal to 180 degree minus 84 degree, that is equal to 96 degree. Therefore, x will be equal to 48 degree. When we divide 96 by 2, we get 48 degree. Again, from figure we can see that angle COA equal to angle BOD. This is one of first pair of vertically opposite angles. So, they both will be equal. Now, the value of angle BOD is given as Z and angle of COA is given as 84 degree. So, Z will be equal to 84 degree. Since AOB is a straight line, this we have seen in the figure that AOB is a straight line. Now, when AOB is straight line, we can see that below there are three angles, that is angle AOE, angle EOD and angle BOD. When we add these three angles, it will become 180 degree because AOB is a straight line and straight line is always 180 degree. So, when we add all the three angles, it will be 180 degree. And you can see also in the figure that angle AOE is given as 75 degree, EOD is given as Y and BOD is given as Z. So, we insert the values of the given angles, that is angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degree. We insert these values, that is 75 degree plus Y plus Z equal to 180 degree. That is 75 degree plus Y plus 84 degree, because ahead step only we can see that Z's value is 84 degree is equal to 180 degree. Further solving, we get Y equal to 180 degree minus 159 degree. Therefore, Y will be equal to 21 degree. Hence, the value of X will be equal to 48 degree, value of Y will be 21 degree and value of Z will be 84 degree. In this way, we can use the definitions and concepts to find the missing angles of a given question. Another example, that is example number 2. In the given figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at point O. If angle POR is to angle ROQ equal to 5:7, find all the angles. In this question also again two lines PQ and RS intersect at a point O. Now, the adjacent angles, that is angle POR and angle ROQ ratio is given as 5:7. Using this, we have to find the measurement of all the angles. Now, for the solution, first angle POR plus angle ROQ equal to 180 degree. As these both lines both angles make a straight line. So, the summation of this both angle, that is angle POR plus angle ROQ equal to 180 degree. We are using linear pair axiom, so we are using linear pair of angles. So, we write in the bracket linear pair of angles. But in the question it is also given that the ratio of angle POR to ratio of angle ROQ is equal to 5:7. We use this to find out the angle, that is, therefore angle POR equal to 5/12 into 180 degree. How 5/12? Because angle POR is 5 parts from total 12 parts. 12 parts, that is 5 plus 7, that is 12 parts. So angle POR is 5 parts from total 12 parts. So we write angle POR equal to 5/12 into 180 degree. Therefore angle POR equal to 75 degree. Similarly, angle ROQ equal to 7/12 into 180 degree, as angle ROQ is 7 parts from total 12 parts. So angle ROQ equal to 105 degree. Now we know that when we have found out two adjacent angles, remaining two another angles will be vertically opposite angle of each. So we find directly that angle POS equal to angle ROQ, because it is first vertically opposite angle pair. Therefore angle POS equal to 105 degree, as angle ROQ is given as 105 degree. Similarly, angle SOQ equal to angle POR, because this is another pair of vertically opposite angles. So angle SOQ equal to 75 degree. Now question number 3, that is, prove that the bisectors of the angles of a linear pair are at right angles. In the questions where we have to prove and only the statement is given, no, in the statement we don't have anything which we can draw, so we have to suppose for that statement. So for solution, first let us consider that angle AOC and angle BOC form a linear pair of angles, and OD and OE are the bisectors of angle AOC and angle BOC respectively. For that, you can see in the figure that we have taken angle AOC and angle BOC as linear pair of, they form a linear, they are both linear pair of angles. Another thing we have supposed in this is that OD, this is OD, is the bisector of angle AOC, and OE is the bisector of angle BOC. Bisector means it divides the given angle into two equal parts. So it is called as bisector. Now for solution, what we have to prove? We have to prove angle DOE equal to 190 degree. This angle we have to prove as 90 degree. We have to prove this angle DOE equal to 90 degree. Now for proof, here you can see in the figure that AOB is a straight line. This is AOB, which is a straight line. Therefore angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Again for straight line we know that whatever angles are present over it, if we add all the angles it will become 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOC, this is your angle BOC. When we add these two angles it is 180 degree, that is by linear pair axiom. Now we divide both the side, left hand side and right hand side, by 2. So we get half of angle AOC plus half of angle BOC, that is equal to 90 degree. Half of 180 degree is 90 degree. Now you can see in the figure that half of angle AOC, we take here AOC as full angle, half of it either you can take AOD or you can take COD, both will be equal. But here as we need COD, we have to look at the question and select that angle which is needed according to our question. So we select angle DOC, this angle this, that is half of angle AOC. Similarly half of angle BOC, we need angle EOC, so we will write angle COE, that is equal to 90 degree. So when we add these both angles it becomes 90 degree. Now further solving, Why this is like this? Because since OD is the bisector of angle AOC and OE is the bisector of angle BOC. So half of angle AOC will become angle DOC and half of angle BOC will become angle COE. So we get angle DOE equal to 90 degree, because when we add these two angles, angle DOC and angle COE, we get this whole angle, that is angle DOE. So we write angle DOE equal to 90 degree, hence it is proved. Wherever the questions are such where we have to prove, it is necessary to write at the last of the solution, hence proved. Thank you.